Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Line2 mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the breakdown and a downside review about this platform. So to get started with the review, the Line2 mobile app is a business and personal communication app that gives users a second number on their mobile device or tablet. It's designed for people who want to keep work and personal calls text separate without needing a second phone. With Line2, you can make and receive calls, send text like SMS or MMS, and even host a group message using Wi-Fi or your data plan. The app works across devices like iOS, Android, and desktop, and also include features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and custom greetings, ideal for small business owners, freelancers, and remote workers. Its simple interface makes setup quick, and calling quality is generally solid when connected to stable internet. Despite its usefulness, Line2 has some downside. Some user reports occasional drop calls, delayed notification, or issues with synchronization across devices. Also, the app is subscription based, starting at a monthly fee, which might not appeal to casual user or looking for a free second number. However, for user who need a dedicated professional phone number line with base VoLP features and solid reliability, Line2 is a strong choice. It's best suited for entrepreneur and remote workers who want an affordable and a convenient communication solution without the cost of a second phone or SIM card. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Line2 mobile app. And that's it.